Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about few Nigerian celebrities who are much older than their age. But before we get into that story, if you are new here, please kindly join the family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to get notified. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all for coming to view my videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down into today's updates. Regina Daniel, the actress, was born on 10 October 1999 in Delta State. She's currently 21 years old but looks 25. The actress started her acting career at the age of 7. She was introduced to Nollywood by her mother, Rita Daniel. Regina Daniel's first movie was Marriage of Sorrow, which earned her 10,000 naira. Actress Regina Daniel became popular when she featured in the movie Miracle of Sorrow in 2010, where she acted alongside popular actors like Iniedo, Chikike, and Mercy Johnson. Destiny Etiko, the actress who was born on 12th of August 1994 in Udi, Enugu State. She's currently 25 years old but looks 34. As a young girl, Destiny Etiko drew her inspiration from her actress mother and decided to follow her footsteps. Actress Destiny Etiko started acting in 2003 when she was in JS1. Her mom would take her to take part in children's movies when the need arises, especially in the midterm break. The small Destiny Etiko will act Block Roses drama and other children's movies. Then in secondary school, Destiny Etiko joined the Nigerian movie industry known as Nollywood. After registering in the Enugu State industry at Enugu National Museum, Enugu GRA. After registering as a professional actress, actress Destiny Etiko started attending movie auditions and was selected to feature in several movies. In 2014, actress Destiny Etiko landed her breakthrough role in the movie titled Idemili, the movie that featured in big actors in Nollywood such as Pete Edochie, Patience Nzokwo, and many more. Chizzy Alichi, the actress who was born on 23 December 1993 in Anambra State. She is currently 26 years old but looks 34. Actress Chizzy Alichi started acting in 2010 and was not introduced by anyone into the industry. However, she simply registered with Actors Guild of Nigeria at their office National Museum, Enugu GRA. She applied to attend movie auditions from time to time, and she applied for a movie role and get ever short of an actress in the movie titled Magic Money. The movie featured by Mercy Johnson and Bob Emmanuel Odogwu. However, actress Chizzy Alichi stopped acting when she got admission in the university. After her graduation, actress Chizzy Alichi went back into acting fully. The turning point of her career is the movie titled Akaroko, which means Hot Akara. The movie was directed by Pete Edochie and many others. Burna Boy, the singer, was born on 2nd of July 1991 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. He is currently 29 years old but looks 37. His father managed a wealthy company and his mother worked as a translator. His grandfather, Edoniche, once managed Fela Kuti. Burna Boy grew up in southern Nigeria and began making his music career. Burna Boy became popular after releasing his song Life to Party in 2012. Chacha Ike, the actress who was born on 1st May 1993 in Ebonyi State, is currently 27 years old but she looks 32. In 2009, Chacha Ike joined Nigerian movie industry known as Nollywood after partaking in Nollywood Miss Talent show, which is a competition held in Abakaleke in Ebonyi State. After the audition, Chacha Ike started attending movie auditions and started acting minor character in a movie. In 2012, Chacha Ike landed her breakthrough role in the movie titled The Road is Near. YC, the singer and rapper, was born on 29 January 1993 in Festa Town, Lagos State. He is currently 28 years old but looks 37. Wise started his music career as an underground rapper. He signed a record deal with a Tiny Entertainment. Due to his education, he took time off from his music career after he got an admission in the University of Lagos. In May 2015, Wise released a critical and acclaimed song titled Kondo. On the 20th July 2015, he released a hit song titled Jagaban. Nigerian rapper Olamide asked him to feature in the remix. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to slap a like on it, and also don't forget to drop your comment, whatever you think about this video, on the comment section below. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please join the family by subscribing. Okay, thank you so much. Turn on the bell notification. Don't forget, turn on the bell notification, okay, so that whenever I drop a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you. God bless you all for coming. I love you guys. Mwah.